Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Sunday, June 16th, 2024. Hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend, and let's get started. So I'm starting off with just these warning, sign charts because you really want to pay attention to them. It's this is the put call ratio, and I said the last time that we've got down into these levels, it marked a top, and I think we had like a 10% correction. It wouldn't surprise me to see something like that. I'm not going to pound the table and say we have to go down 10%, but I can easily see anywhere from a 4 to 6% drop, just to kind of do some backing and filling, and then they'll probably resume the march higher. But right now, this is a major red flag, and then on top of that, you can just look at the breadth right now. So this is the stocks above the 50-day moving average. You can see we have price S&P moving higher as this is moving lower. So that's another one. There's just not a lot of participation in this rally. And the last one is this NIAID sell signal. So when you combine that with the longer term, say, divergences that we have in place right here, like on the daily and then on the weekly as well, which is not here yet. Hang on one second. Okay, so here's the weekly chart, and you can see we have sell signals on the weekly charts. So when you combine these, the red flag warnings that the NIAID and the put call ratio, and really to just the breadth of this market, with these sell signals that are on the daily and weekly charts, it definitely. You should pay attention to it because it really could blindside some people, and I don't think anybody's really thinking that this market's going to go down at all. So it could catch many by surprise. And if we're just taking a look and saying, okay, well, where could we possibly go down to? Some of my target areas would be anywhere from the 40, right around that 48.22. But you can see here the 50% retracement is 46.23. That's also where this pattern, this bearish wedge, is pointing to. So I wouldn't really discount, a move coming down somewhere into this, the 4,800, 4,600 when we get this drop. But right now, you have to wait and see that the bears are actually going to take out some support levels, because until then, these warning flags can stay out there and just really extend. So this is the bigger picture, daily chart. You can see, as far as wave structure, we look like we're making this wave 5. Some sell signals on the 60-minute chart. You can see that we don't really have any sell signals because of the this was the highest peak. So to seeing the the bulls take out the this 54.47 level and possibly head up to the 5,500. That's going to give us some sell signals as well as complete the wave structure. But as I said, really the first thing the bears are going to have to do is get it through this 5,400 level. If they do that, then we'll probably see a move coming down to the 53.23. On the 15-minute chart here, you can see we do have sell signals in place. Again, just some. If we're taking a look at maybe some downside short-term targets. Really, that 53.80, I think there's going to be buyers waiting there. If they take that out, then we're going to come down to the 5,300 level. But I do believe right around this 53.80, we will have buyers waiting and probably make another jab higher. So on Friday, we were able to get into a Condor trade, and you can see this was for $1.80, so 10 contracts was $1,800. Never even came close to our prices, so it was a fairly easy trade, easy $1,800, and really didn't even have to keep an eye on it. I think I went and played golf and just put my stops in place. So either we were going to make $1,800 or I was going to get stopped out at even. So that's really the way I was looking at it. So with that, if you guys are interested in learning how to do these Condor trades and these credit spreads, please send me an email. We can work something out as far as a trial period. And with that, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will talk to you guys in the morning.